the Moravian Historical Society in Nazareth, and we'd like to welcome you to our walking tour. The walking tours, they talk about the colonial history of Nazareth. So you're going to learn who the Moravians were, why they're important, why we think they're extremely cool, why they chose this area in particular, and you'll also get to see all of the interesting colonial structures in Nazareth, of which there are quite a few.
The building here is today called Nazareth Hall, and that was built by the Moravians in the 1770s as a home for Count Zinzendorf. He invited the Moravians, along with some other religious groups that had similar beliefs, and they could worship there the way they wanted. This is the second building that the Moravians built. They used it to house their people while they were building the Whitfield House.
The Gray Cottage is the oldest Moravian building in North America that's still standing.
This was the Single Sisters house. The Moravians lived in what were called choirs. It has nothing to do with singing choirs, but they lived with a group that was their age, gender, and marital status. So the single sisters lived in a house, the single brothers lived in a house.
We are the third oldest historical society in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. We've been right here at the heart of Nazareth since 1857.
The Moravians laid this city out in a grid, so this is the north-south axis and east-west, and put this circle or square in the center of town.
We have over 4 centuries of Moravian history in our museum. In our permanent exhibition, you can learn about who are the Moravians, why they came to America, a little bit more about their missionary work, and what a Moravian worship service was like. It was 1776 organ that you can still play, and many other wonderful objects. The walking tours, we hold them every second Saturday. They're about 45 minutes. It is $7 for adults and $5 for children and seniors. My favorite thing is when people from Nazareth come and they say, "Oh my gosh, I didn't know there was all this history here." We believe that Moravian history is American history. So if you think American history is important, we have something to offer you.